I'm Mrs. Nazrina Latheef. I came to here study international cookery. It's a friendly environment. It's a good place also. I'm a Muslim even. I can do my work and my environment also friendly. My sir, Mr. Hanura sir, is very good. He advised us in many ways, and this is a privileged place also to come and join. Here you can get job opportunities. This is good for the place for the future generation, future young generation, and I would like to join my daughter also here. This the place was very good and safety like us also.